Hi again, everybody. It's Mrs. B from the New City Library. I wanted to talk to you about grackles. These are like medium size, maybe that big, black birds that you might see in your yard picking through the leaves or picking through the grass looking for bugs. And sometimes there are a real lot of them together at the same time. If they're close enough that you can see them and there's a little bit of sunshine, their black feathers become shiny rainbow colors. That's called iridescent. Very pretty to see. If they're farther away, you might be able to recognize the sounds they make or their actions. And in this little video, see if you can find the two grackles in the tree and notice how they move when they make their sounds. Okay, did you find both birds? There was one above the other, and they seemed to be talking to each other. I don't know what they were saying, but it seemed like they were communicating in some way. Now, I have another short video of some more grackles in a tree, but there's more than two, and let's just see if you can find them, because they move around a lot in this video. See if you can count how many there are in this one. I couldn't count them at all. I couldn't even guess how many there were. Hope you had fun. And next time you see a black, shiny rainbow bird in your yard, you'll know it's a grackle. See you next time.